Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, June 22nd, and here is our building update for today. I wanted to just check in to give you guys an update as to how the building's going with construction. So let's take a quick look. All right, so as you can see, this is the office area, and all the carpet at this point in the building has been removed. And so this is the office area. This is my office right here. And heading into the main office. As you can see, all of the carpet has been removed. So we're getting new carpet here in the main office. And then there'll be new tile in the hallways and in the classrooms. Kind of hard to believe that just a couple of weeks ago, we were still in school. So a lot of work has been done here over the past couple of weeks. Here is the main lobby area of the building. Main hallway. And let's go down this way and you can see the media center. They're starting to work on putting in the new skylights there. So the contractors are there. They're the a lot of work done. It'll be exciting when it's all finished. All new tile in the classrooms and all new carpet. So they're getting the concrete ready for tiling. Smoothing it out. There you go. There's our update for today. Hope everybody's having a great summer. Go Stingers!